YouTubers. In today's Airsoft game, I'm playing at Odin's Paradise in Ohio. And as we get started, I just want to let you all know there were quite a few cheaters, people not calling their hits, which, in my opinion, ruins the game. With that being said, here is a short 5-minute video clip of one of the games played. This is just team deathmatch, the blue team versus red team. I hope you guys enjoy.
Got people in shoot house.
So coming up, I have a Ricochet. I played this video back several times, and I've confirmed that it did come off the wood pallets next to me. So here it is.
Is that a Ricochet?
So moving forward, I would like to indicate when people do not call their hits. One, it makes the gameplay not as fun. Secondly, looking at the video, you can clearly tell they have been hit, yet they're still not calling their hits. So I did not place any hit markers. I do want to come up with a different design. Dutch, the hooligan, he's got a really cool design, which is the triangle that you see for like Alien versus Predator. It's a great design, but I do not want to copy off him. But there were quite a few in this segment that definitely were hits, but they were not actually calling their hits. A lot of them were headshots. Some people are wearing helmets, so they probably never felt it. But even so, it is very aggravating when you sit there and have to light somebody up just for them to call their hits.
I got 3 of them pinned right there at that window. Coming through. Why would so many people walk? Cover me, left side of that window.
Aside from the cheaters from this game, toward the end of the day, it definitely became more fun. A lot of people had left. A majority of those were cheaters. But moving forward, this is just one game, team deathmatch, that I did play out of about 9 or so. There was an injury. So there are more videos coming toward the end of this week. I just wanted to do a quick 5-minute video clip of one of our gameplays, just because I had so many kill cams. It's aggravating yet fun being indoors, close quarter combat. It just seems like it's different because you have to really suppress a lot of fire because everybody pre-fires corners. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.